Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with mascaras that promise the world but leave you with clumpy, flaky lashes, you're going to want to stick around. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip to elevate your beauty routine. Today, we're looking at a product that claims to turn your lashes into full, feathery perfection. The L'Oreal Paris Makeup Lash Paradise Mascara in black. This mascara is designed to give your lashes voluptuous volume and intense length, and it boasts a soft, wavy bristle brush with over 200 bristles intended to catch every lash. L'Oreal claims up to 20 times more volume and twice the length, while also promising a smooth glide formula that avoids clumping, smudging, or flaking. The first thing I noticed when I opened the tube was the brush. It's soft, slightly wavy, and dense, which is perfect for coating every lash evenly. The formula itself glides on smoothly, giving an immediate lift and definition. I tried it both for my everyday look and for a more dramatic evening style, and in both cases it held up well without smudging throughout the day. I also layered it without any clumps forming, which is a huge win for anyone who loves a bold lash. In terms of texture, it's creamy but not too wet, so it doesn't weigh down the lashes. Application is easy, even for those who are not mascara experts, and the soft brush really does help separate each lash for that feathery, full fringe effect. That said, the volume might be slightly less dramatic on extremely sparse lashes, so you may need a second coat for maximum impact. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, it delivers excellent length, separates lashes beautifully, layers without clumping, and stays put without flaking. On the downside, for very short or fine lashes, it may require multiple coats to achieve that full paradise effect. For value, this mascara sits at a reasonable mid-range price point, especially considering the formula's staying power and the lush full lash effect it provides. Compared to similar drugstore mascaras, I find it holds up exceptionally well against higher-end options, giving impressive length and volume without breaking the bank. If you've ever tried L'Oreal's voluminous Lash Paradise, you might notice the brush shape has slightly evolved, which enhances separation and fullness. The formula remains reliably smooth and crease-free, so fans of the brand will feel right at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of build, the mascara tube itself is sleek and sturdy, making it travel-friendly without fear of leaks. The formula's longevity is solid. It maintains curl and volume all day without needing touch-ups. I haven't had to deal with any smudging under the eyes, which is always a concern with dark mascaras. If you're on a budget but want similar results, Essence Lash Princess or Maybelline Lash Sensational are solid alternatives, though Lash Paradise still outperforms them in terms of lash fullness and smooth application. Overall, L'Oreal Lash Paradise gives a gorgeous, feathery lash effect with excellent length and buildable volume. It's versatile for both everyday wear and more dramatic looks, and it's a great option for anyone seeking a mascara that delivers without clumping, flaking, or smudging. If you love bold, full lashes, this mascara will likely become a staple in your collection. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this mascara is in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.